Hey guys, it's Miranda here at Sunshine and Grace, and today we are making, I don't have a prototype out, but it's Mass Make Monday, and we're mass making little dangles using ball pens, and some of these little charmy things, and some cute buttons, and a few beads. I'm going to try not to spill the beads, so they're staying over there for the moment, but they're there. There's beads. These are going to be so simple, and they won't take hardly any time. You can mass make probably dozens really quickly and easily, and they're fun and cute. I do have to admit, this is not my original idea. I was watching a video by Barbara, I believe it is, over at 49 Dragonflies, and she had a pack of them that someone had sent her in Happy Mail, and I was like, that is the cutest thing. I gotta make some. So here we are. We're making some. So what you do is you put a couple beads on, just any beads. I'm using little seed beads. They came from the Dollar Tree, okay? Because I don't spend a lot of money on anything. So yeah, these seed beads came from the Dollar Tree. I'm putting 2 on. I am going to pick a charm. I really like that, but I think it's too short. Let's go with this. If I can pick it up. Put the charm on. Got a key. It's a cute key. Now let's pick a button. I used purple beads, so what button would it be with purple? Maybe this white one. And then this is the trickiest part. Getting the bead button on. Okay, it's on. See? Now, reverse your beads. Let's see. Light purple. Dark purple. Done. Close that little baby up, and there you have it. Now, is that not adorable? Look at that. Okay, let's do another one. Let's grab another bulb pen, and let's choose different colors. I'm gonna see if I can get. I've been crushing on these weird black beads. They look like an oil slick. They don't really show though on that one, do they? Let's get a different color. Don't be like me and be picky. I think they look good on this silver. Okay. I have a lot of these for some reason. Well, not a huge lot, but there was a lot in a box of beads I got one time, and I kept them. I really like these keys, so we're going to play with another key. 2 beads, a key. Why am I having trouble with the keys? A key, a button. This little shiny button, because I like it. A button. Now 2 black beads. These are really so easy. We'll do one more together. Just for fun, because this would be like a 3-minute video. Well, it's probably more like 10, but still. I'd like to stick around that range. Let's pick a colored button or colored ball pen. I have a ton of those in there. I'm not even sure. Well, I don't know. Actually, I do like that. I'm going to be making a journal soon. That's going to be blue and orange. So, it's blue. Oh, yeah. Okay. Ow. Poked myself. Okay. So, how is everyone? Hopefully, you're all doing well. Staying warm. If it's cold where you are, it's cold here. Very cold. I don't really like cold, but it's okay. It's not too terrible. I'm going to use this weird chunky one. Yeah. Now find a button. I like this one. I don't know why really. That one's kind of peachy and pretty, which goes with the orange that we're using. And then put our blue buttons back on. We had 2 already laid out. 1 and 2. Alright, now how simple was that, y'all? Seriously, it can't get any easier, could it? And they are really, really cute. I mean, just look at that. Let me see if I have some paper I can clip them to. I just love these. Here. we'll punch holes in this. This is just something that I've been playing with for a couple days, trying to figure out how I'm going to do it. So it's not really important, and I will work something in to hide these. I'm just punching 3 holes here. I am not measuring. I am literally just eyeballing those little babies. All right, let me prop that up because I just want these to dangle and you to be able to see what they're going to look like on something. Except that I cannot seem to get them in on my lens. I am all thumbs. Literally all thumbs, not cooperating with me at all there. Okay, so then you have something like that. Really pretty there, wasn't it? When it flopped over dead. It's like it just, nope, I'm croaking off the side here. Okay, 2 is on. Get that little bead down where it goes. Shake them down here in a second. Let's put the last one on. I liked this one a lot. It's very cute. And the bulb pin seems a little, I don't know, tighter or something on this one. So, okay. So we have all 3 of them. It took me a whopping 5 minutes to make 3 of them, I think. Okay. See if I can get that to push through there like that. Luckily, this is a prototype, so it doesn't matter. Okay, now, there you go. Now, is that not cute, you guys? Seriously, look at that. That is adorable. So, there you have it. Bulb pins, beads, charms, and a button. Y'all can whip these things out. I don't even know how many you could do in an hour. It wouldn't take you no time at all. So there you have it. That's our Mass Make Monday. It's like a snack of a mass make or something. Like a baby bite of it. But it was still a mass make idea. That is absolutely adorable. And I love it. And all of my buttons are upside down. So, yeah. Okay. Anyways, before I go, I just want to remind you that Jesus loves you so much. He died for you. If you've not trusted that fact, then I'd urge you to do so today. Because none of us is promised the next second. Whether you know it or not, you're going to live forever, either upstairs or down. And you want to go up. So if you've not trusted the gospel of your salvation, then I would love to tell you about my precious Savior, tell you the greatest love story ever, and get you settled for eternity right now. So just drop me a comment below or look me up on Facebook, Instagram, all that. It's in the channel art up above. At Miranda McCulley or Sunshine and Grace JJ or Journals. If you have any questions about anything, the projects that I make, or your eternal state, y'all get a hold of me, and it'd be my joy to answer them. You have a great day, and we'll chat soon. Grace and peace. Bye-bye.